Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need the spawn conditions met before anything else. Once you confirm your level and gear, teleport to the nearest high-level C route immediately. Check the in-game clock because Jeremy appears during a narrow window, and make sure you are in a public server rather than a private one. Equip your fastest movement method and keep a full inventory of heals and stat boosts. This reduces downtime. Start sailing toward the designated high-level island as soon as the spawn window opens. Once done, move methodically around the island perimeter and interior spawn nodes. Jeremy often appears near prominent landmarks, so circle those areas slowly. Use short bursts of combat to clear aggro if crowded, but avoid killing every mob because some activity can prevent his spawn. Hold steady and watch spawn points. If you see other players converging, reposition slightly and wait. Jeremy will only spawn once and often despawns if interrupted, so patience and steady searching are the keys to success. When Jeremy appears, engage fast, use stuns and burst damage to prevent his escape, and prioritize survivability so you don't lose progress. If other players are present, coordinate briefly to share damage and ensure the kill. Loot tends to drop immediately, so claim it quickly. If he does not spawn during the expected window, leave the server and rejoin a different public server, reset the in-game hour by idling, then repeat the same search loop. That troubleshooting step fixes most spawn failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.